In today's video, I am going to teach you how to know if your Canva is Pro Premium. First, open Canva and look to the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click your profile icon. Right there, Canva will show your status at a glance. If it says Canva Pro, you are on a paid plan. If you are part of a Pro team, you may see your team name instead, which still means you have Pro access through that workspace. If you work in multiple workspaces, double-check that you are currently in the one that has the Pro plan. Next, for a clear confirmation, go to Settings. Then Billing and Plans. A Pro account shows active subscription details including your plan type and billing status. If you are on the free version, this page will focus on upgrade options instead. If your access comes from a team subscription, the page may reflect the team's plan rather than a personal one, which is normal. If you recently upgraded and don't see it reflected yet, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Sometimes it takes a moment for the plan status to sync. Now open any design. We'll verify by using features that are exclusive to Pro. Go to the Elements tab and search for anything graphics, photos, or videos. As you browse, look for items marked with a small crown icon. Those are Pro assets. If your account is Pro, you can drop these into your design and use them without watermarks. And when you download, you won't be asked to pay for that item individually. On a free account, Pro assets usually show a watermark and trigger an upgrade or pay per item prompt at download, so this is a quick practical test. While you are in the editor, check for other Pro indicators. The brand kit lets you store logos, set brand colors, and upload fonts. If you can open and use brand kit without seeing an upgrade prompt, that's a strong sign you are on Pro. Explore Magic Studio. Canva's AI tools features like Magic Design, Magic Eraser, or Text to Image live here, and Pro accounts can use these without hitting a paywall for basic use. Finally, look at the top of your editor for the resize option. Pro users can resize designs freely, and copy and resize to multiple dimensions is included. If you are on the free plan, clicking resize will prompt you to upgrade. If everything we've checked lines up your profile status, subscription details in billing and plans, seamless use of Pro elements, and access to brand kit, Magic Studio, and resize, you are confirmed as Pro. That's it. Thanks for watching.